Hello and welcome. Today we are going to review a SPAS 12 shotgun by Double Eagle, the M63. Okay, as you can see, it has a red pump. I love the shape of this gun. The SPAS 12 is probably my favourite shotgun because I love the size of it and the shape. It's almost as if it's perfect. Okay. This is a spring-powered gun. So in order to shoot, you have to cock each time. And let's look at some features. Okay, if you want the safety to be on, so I'll cock it so it's ready to go. This button here, I don't know if you can see it. This button here is the safety. That button there, you push it in, safety is on. To turn the safety off, you go to the other side, this button here, push in, safety is off. Okay, this shotgun has two loops, one here and one here, if you want to put a strap on it. Okay, just looking, this has a shotgun shell as a magazine, so to load it, unload it, this lever here you simply push down and your shotgun shell should come out. It ejects it. Okay, this shell holds 30 rounds, pellets I mean, but my shotgun can do 3 at a time. So you will get 10 shots, which I think is quite good, quite fair for a sidearm. Now, the best way to load this shell is to use a speed loader. You just align and do it until it's full. Do not force it. I think 10 shots is quite fair. And to load the magazine shell, make sure the gold is at the back and the pellets are at the front. To load it, you push the lever, you place it in, and you push this back, and you pull this pump, and you are ready to go. This shotgun is plastic. It's actually quite light. The barrel and this here, the trigger, are metal, and so is this aim point, which I think is fair. Very easy to use this. So yeah, as I said, I love the style and I love the shape of this shotgun. And as I said, this has to be my favourite shotgun. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful. I love this shotgun so much. I think it's really fun to use, very easy to operate, and a very useful sidearm. So once again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.